Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go over how to download your infographic and then upload it to the class discussion board in order to receive credit for your major grade. So I'm going to show you through Pict-a-Chart, since that's what we've kind of been using as our example. You're going to go take your project, and as soon as you're sure that it's all done, you've deleted any of these extra tiles that you don't need, you make sure that the only stuff in here is stuff that are your words and your pictures and things related to your topic. As soon as you're sure it's all good to go, it's your best version, you checked it against the rubric, you're going to go over here and click download. And just click download as PNG, and it takes a second. And as soon as it downloads, you'll see it download over here in the corner. Yep, there it is. Okay. And so if I go to my files and I go to the downloads folder, I'll see it right there as the most recent file. Okay, there it is. So it's in your downloads folder, and that's all you have to do. Then you're going to go over here to Canvas. Okay, when you get to Canvas, you go to Files. First of all, you go to your courses, make sure you're on English, click Files, and you go over here where it says All My Files. And then click Upload, and you're going to go to that Downloads folder, okay, and you find that most recent file, and click Open, okay, and you upload it, and there it is, okay. So basically, Canvas has cloud storage, kind of like OneDrive. You can upload stuff to your account, and so anytime we go to turn in something or upload something on Canvas, this is how you have to do it first so that it's like on Canvas. And so then you're going to go back to the course, and you're going to do the discussions tab, and you're going to go click on Infographic discussion board. I don't know what this is. Somebody did something weird. Infographic discussion board. Scroll down, and you're going to click reply. When you do that, you click embed image, and that's where you click Canvas, my files, and you'll see your file right there, okay? And you're going to scroll down, you click a little update, and you're going to see it load into this box, okay? And then you just click post reply. And once you've uploaded the infographic, you're not quite done. You need to make sure, read the directions up here. You need to reply to your own post answering these two questions, okay? These two questions, answering them is essentially the presentation part of your infographic. And then during class time on Thursday, you're going to do the comment part where you're going to read other people's infographics and comment. And so just follow the directions closely for that part, okay? And once you've done that, you've submitted your infographic as a major grade. And then just to be clear, for Friday, you're going to go back to the discussions tab. You're going to click on this infographic argument paper exit ticket. And on Friday, it'll open, have all the directions, and you'll do that for a daily grade on Friday. And there you go. If you have any questions, shoot me a question on Remind or on my email. But otherwise, please be getting it done, getting work in while I'm out on Thursday and Friday. Everything is time stamped. It's all an individual grade. So make sure you are using your time wisely, because I'll be able to tell. Make me proud.